In this video, I'm going to show you LM Studio's newly launched CLI tool, LMS, to run large language models locally. First thing is installation. So there are two ways to install LMS CLI. The first is going to the browser and downloading the executable. The second one is by installing it with npx. npx that comes bundled with npm, Node Package Manager. So to keep this video simple, I'm going to use the browser. So let's take a look. So the first step you need to do is visit lmstudio.ai. Once you go there, you will see macOS, Windows, Linux, all three of them available. I'm on Windows, so I'm going to download the Windows executable. By the way, the LMS CLI is included with version 0.2.22. That means if we download the executable from lmstudio.ai, the LMS CLI will automatically be installed. However, we need to activate it. So after running the executable, you will find the LM Studio on your machine. So once we run this command on our system, you will see the installation completed output. In the new terminal window, let's check now whether LMS is installed on our system or not. So I'll simply write LMS and press enter. We have LM Studio CLI enabled, and it even shows the version, which is 0.2.22 right here. And it also shows us all the commands that are included with the CLI. So the first thing I'll do is I'll check the status. So it shows that the server is offline. So what we can do is we can write LMS server start, and that way it will enable the server. So it is asking us for acknowledgement to run LMS. So I got this pop-up from Windows Security. I'm going to allow it. Once we acknowledge and give it the permissions, we will see the status, and in the status we can see the server is enabled and it's running on port 1234. Okay, so once that is done, we can get a list of all the models that are already installed in the system. We can write lms ls and we'll get the list of all the models. Here's the list of all the models. So I don't see a way to download language models directly from the CLI. So we need to go to the GUI and download the model from there. So once we have downloaded the model, we can go ahead and load it in our system. Right. So once we have downloaded the language model, we can run it and load it in our system. So let's load the language model. Okay, so now that the model has loaded successfully, we will send a post request to the server to check whether it gives us a response to our request or not. That's fantastic. We got a response from the model, and it says, "I'm quite a delight, a chatbot with rhyming might. I'll converse with you day or night in rhymes that are fun and just right." So I think that is a really good quality of life improvement made by LM Studio. So we can now load a model, serve it, and we can quickly use it. We no longer need to go in the GUI and click a bunch of buttons. We can simply load the model by writing LMS load, and it does the magic for us. If you want me to use LM Studio LMS CLI in an application, do let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.